I was just talking to Chad about how you've been slowly going down the rabbit hole of RPG Maker game.
I'm desperate to play more after having played that. And this game is like only proving that further. Like, it's amazing to me that this, I would assume only made by one person, right? Like in the spirit.
Yep.
Yeah, right? Isn't that insane?
It's made by someone named Fumi-san.
Fumi-san.
Hmm.
How interesting. Right. Smell. Doesn't do much for your
I'm
appetite.
not saying it. I'm not saying it.
Say it. Say it. Say it.
You exude a certain aroma that I find highly unpleasant.
You smell.
Okay.
No. I'd like it because it'd be like if I specifically asked, like, oh, what's the solution to this puzzle? You would have just said, oh, you smell.
Ah! Hold on. I gotta take this.
Guys, Ike's ringtone is a marimba remix of fucking Megalomania. Oh, I love that, man. Spit at you. Alright, so we gotta fetch some medicine then. Please, Ike, you're gonna drive me insane.
What?
You're gonna drive my chat. You're gonna drive my chat mad.
I was just doing what they did in the game.
Yeah, there they go. There they go.
Your chat's funny.